Today I am showing you guys how to make the wavy text effect free on your iPhone using an app called Megaphoto. So without further ado, let's just get started with the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually make your text. If you want to make a green screen, then I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you want to put it over your own video, you have to actually make a green screen. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into Fonto, and then what you're going to do here is insert just a plain image that you're going to use, and I'm going to make the background gray just because it's easier to mask like that. And then I'm going to add the text I want to use, so I'm going to type wavy text. And then once I put that in there, I'm just going to change my font and do whatever else I choose to with it. Okay, so once I have the text how I like it, I'm going to save this to my camera roll. Then I'm going to go into superimpose and mask it. I will leave the link below to another video with another app you can use instead of superimpose. So once I have my PNG, what I'm going to do is go into CueCut Pro, and this is where we're actually going to make the green screen. I'm going to create a new movie, and I'm going to change the background color to this obnoxious green color. And then I'm going to add my text, and I'm just going to change the size of it. And I'm going to save that to my camera roll in high quality. Once that's done, you're going to want to go to the app Megaphoto, which is free on the App Store. And then what you're going to do is click on the filter 129. Then you're going to swipe up, kind of how Instagram stories work, and you're going to click on your camera roll, and you're going to click that green screen you just made. As you guys can see, you can like move the waves by clicking on the screen. Like I could pull it that way. Obviously I don't want it to look like that. So this is what it looks like. And then you can record it. And so once it's saved, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to press copy to camera roll. Okay, so once you save it to your camera roll, you're just going to go back into CueCut, and we're going to remove the watermark. So I'm going to actually add the video and make sure it's the right one. Then I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to double click on the image and then just make it bigger and move the logo out of the way. And then I'm going to save that to my camera. And so now if you actually want to use it, you can just go into Pocket Video and use it as a green screen. So I'll show you guys how to do that too real quick. So you'll just create a new movie. Just click YouTube vlog and add a video from your camera roll. And then what you do is you add video sticker, and then you press add and go from camera roll, and you add the wavy text, or the thing that says wavy text. Arrange it how you want, and then press done. And then you can resize it, and then if you scroll over here, you can press mask and then green screen, and then you have your wavy text, and when it plays, you can see it's waving around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that it helps out, and if you want to see more videos from me, then be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!